there is required. I'm starting with you and the rest of you. Do you have any objection to any of the members?
My objection is to all of them.
Haji Mutale, do you have any objection to any of the members? Yes. In the case which you are taking before this honorable court, you are supposed to be having a lawyer. We have 2 lawyers of government who are paid by the government, but you have the right to hire your own lawyers to come and represent you. I'm starting with you, Kizza Besigye. Do you opt to use lawyers of government, of course, or you want to bring your own lawyers?
Prefer my own. I prefer my own.
Haji? You can mention the lawyers, court.
I was only informed that I was coming to court a few minutes ago. I have not been in contact with any person since we were arrested from Nairobi. So I could not have taken a brief to any lawyers.
But we have government lawyers who are paid by the government, including Simon Suga and Lieutenant Kikabuka.
I have already said I will be having my own lawyers, but I haven't briefed them yet.
The same with me. The same with me.
Jaka, you can also, yes, your lawyers are not around, but I believe you know them. You can mention their names.
Maybe silent the press you can.
I may wish people to be my lawyers, but they have to accept to be my lawyers, having had a brief. I don't know whether you want me to present my wishes to this court.
Please, Grace, I believe you have taken enough photographs. Can you give us a space? And then those who have no cameras, please, you can extend also.
Excuse me.
Why you have rejected the report?
They object to a court of the military because I am not a member of the UPDF. I believe that I should be tried by a civil court.
already mentioned it earlier, that I object because I'm a civilian. I've never been, I'm a civilian. Since I was born, I've never joined the Air Force or to be a scout. So I think I must be from a civil post.
There's only one objection which has been raised by the two accused persons, and that is that they are not members of the UPDF, therefore they are not supposed to appear before the meeting. And we have the level in the law, section 117 of the UPDF Act, which enables us to have people who are not subject to military law, but otherwise yet subject to military law because of circumstances or inviting themselves to be tried by the military law. Chairman and honorable board members, one of the reasons also advanced was that he has not got time to inform his lawyers, and therefore his lawyers are not around. But I believe for the members who are seated here in the back, if they are not his lawyers, and if they are not members of the bar, then they should not be seated here. I do believe that they are members of the bar. So, I pray that God knows I need to read the judges, the accused persons.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, members of the General Court Martial. I will be on record that we have not had access to the accused persons. We needed to have, first of all, instructions and also to have an interaction with the accused persons to get to understand the nature of the offenses and or the entire story about this matter. So professionally, it becomes a bit difficult for us to proceed with the representation of the accused persons without having also preliminary engagements. And as you know, Mr. Chairman, lawyers act on instructions, and the instructions come with sufficient information on how they can be presented. So all we know, Dr. Besigye and a colleague traveled to Nairobi, and we don't know, we're not aware how he ended up here. So it becomes extremely difficult for us to proceed under those circumstances. We thank you, Mr. Chief.
I think, sir, the court should adjourn to make the pronounce itself and make a ruling on the objection. Whether they are subject to much or not. Come and pronounce itself. But for now, so I don't know whether
inquiring whether, since I don't have lawyers as yet, our objection would not benefit from that representation in itself, so that the ruling comes after I have had a representation. A law has been quoted as to why we should be subject to this court. I don't have the laws with me. I cannot respond. My lawyers haven't been briefed. I think it would be unfair to make a ruling before we have had the benefit of legal representation in that.
I think, Colonel, since you're in the court, whatever the decision will be taken now, that one will be ruling. You are represented, but I don't think that one has a problem, because the ruling will be, as Judge Advocate has said, to continue or not to continue is considering the objections. So I don't think that one will affect. Maybe Mayor Magye was asking, in what capacity did you submit? As a volunteer, as a friend, or as their lawyer?
Mr. Chairman, we've been searching for the whereabouts of Dr. Besigye since he got missing. And we learned that he's being brought here. And as you are aware, there are so many parties that are concerned with this matter. And as one of the lawyers who are concerned in this matter, I had to step in to ensure that justice is done. But as whether I have instructions from him or not, that is the matter which is subject to a pronouncement, a decision of this honorable court. And I've put a disclaimer on that. I have not interacted with him, much as I've been a lawyer in search for his whereabouts.
The court is adjourned for